handang wakas. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa pagkakataon na makapiling, makabalikan, maging bahagi ng mundo. Salamat, salamat, taus-pusong pasasalamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN. Hindi malilimutan ating pinagdaanan, ating pinagsamahan, sa hirap at ginawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RPN.
RPN Provincial Stations: DZBS Baguio, DYKB Bacolod, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXDX General Santos, DYKC Cebu, DZKI Iriga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKS Surigao, DXKP Pagadian, DXKT Davao, at DZRL Bata. RPN Provincial Stations.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gungunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan an sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Bicol Connection, mga follow-up kan mga issues na makonektar sa mga tao, asin ahensya kan gobyerno, relevanting informasyon sa likod kan mga bareta. Bicol Connection, mga reports kan RPN patrols, entrevista, asin serbisyo publiko. Yan gabos ang tabayanan. Bicol Connection. Bicol Connection.
An oras na yan, atod sa Indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Sigera, President, Sigera Technological Colleges, Iriga City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Sigera Technological Colleges.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Ang porsyon na ini hatod man sa Indo ni Punong Barangay Weden Salvadora. Ang programang ini hatod sa Indo ni Punong Barangay Eduardo Di Maiwang kan Perpetual Health Iriga City.
Para sa bado nagka-bloom sa hamot, prubaran na ang Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Charm Fatcon, bangong gumagabloom. Charm Fatcon, damit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, igwaning Stay Fresh Technology. Bado mo, ka-bloom sa hamot.
Charm Fatcon, bangong gumagabloom. Charm Fatcon, damit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo.
Laban sa bakterya.
I-shield mo.
Laban ng pati virus.
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado.
I-shield mo.
Pamilya protektado.
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakintabin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max.
Star Wax ang #1 floor wax. Ugwaning waterproof formula. Ulaan man ang tubig, balikin taban sa loob.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kitang na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. Igwaning double whitening and papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Masakit ba ang iyong ulat katawan dahil sa sobrang trabaho at iba't ibang stress sa buhay? Sandali, mag-break ka muna. Hindi lang simpleng break, mag-Herbalaya break ka muna.
hinga ng malalim at imasahe ang ulo at katawan gamit ang Herbalaya Liniment Oil. Sa sakit ng ulo at katawan, dito na tayo sa subok na, dekalidad at siguradong ligtas. Herbalaya, amoy na kaaya-aya sa bawat pahid ay ginhawa. Mabibili sa mga butika at grocery stores sa inyong lugar. Also available in roll-on and cream.
Ang Radyo Ronda RPN DZKI Iriga, kaibang ang samong mga sponsors nakikisumaro sa kafiestahan ni Ina Patron kan Kabikolan Nuestra Señora de Peña, Francia. Buot niya mong pasalamatan ang mga binasunod na major sponsors: Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, care of Bobby F. Palangka, President, Don Fortuno Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. The local government of Nabua, headed by Mayor Fernando Simbulan, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Asinuyaman ang samuya mga minor sponsors: University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City. Cloud Lagyap, Sea Events Styling, your events, our craft, San Miguel, Iriga City. Halo Mango, Railside Highway 1, San Miguel, Iriga City. Lieutenant Colonel Van Layosa, City Administrative Resource Management Unit, Naga City. Police Office, Berlin Street, Santa Cruz, Naga City. Rosemary A. Escobal, San Francisco, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Engineer Elmerhon Athan V. Orbita, Lot 25, Block 3, Cookville Subdivision, San Felipe, Naga City. Caldi's Kitchen, Ateneo Avenue, Bagong Bayan Sur, Naga City. Potato Center, Chima Building, San Miguel, Iriga City. Mr. and Mrs. Rodrigo and Edita O. Martinez and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Honorable Olpiano Duran Jr., San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Montessori Children House of Learning Incorporated, Nabua Campus, care of Leia N. Romero, the Principal. San Esteban, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Modern Oriental Home Depot, owned and managed by Edwin Tan. Highway 1, San Roque, Iriga City. Blessed Name of Mary College Incorporated, care of Nueme Marpuri, School Directress. Lopinio Street, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Wincy Trading, owned and managed by Edwin Casili, San Nicolas, Baao, Camarines Sur. Winbro, Agrivit Trading, Santo Domingo, Nabua, Camarines Sur. St. Jude Tadeos Learning Center Incorporated, West Campus, care of Marinel R. Bagasala, Zone 1, Inapatan, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Municipal Mayor Tomas A. Bucago, Local Government Unit Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Montessori Children's House of Learning Incorporated, Iriga City, care of Daisy Trahada, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Volume Grill and Resto Bar, San Roque, Iriga City. Sa Saindo po Gabos, biyayaan lugod kita kan mahal na Diyos. Viva la Virgen, viva el Divino Rostro.
Patrona del Bicol, gran madre de Dios, se siente la reina de nuestra región.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Be a global achievers with a world-class education and skills. Enroll at Sigara Technological Colleges at Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Sigara Technological Colleges offers the following DepEd programs: Senior High School, Grade 11 and 12, Academic Track, Accountancy, Business and Management, ABM Strand, General Academic Strand, GAS, Humanities and Social Science, HUM Strand, Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2, Electrical Installations and Maintenance NC2, Masonry NC2, and Tile Setting NC2. CHED programs: Bachelor of Engineering Technology, BAT, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Food and Service Management, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Major, Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration,
Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major, Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. They also have TESDA registered programs, Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Product Assembly and Servicing NC2, Driving NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation, Well Loader NC2. Sigera Technological Colleges also offers scholarship program, Sigera Marching Band Scholarship, Sigera Barangay Official Scholarship, cash discounts. They also accept scholarship grant from Tulong Dunong, CHED, Estufa Foster Parents Scholarship, OWA, Provincial Government, Congressional District TESDA, TWSP, and TESDA, PESFA for freshman students. College admission requirements. Bring the original high school report card F138 or SF9, Certificate of Good Moral Character F137, High School Graduate or Senior High School Graduate, Certificate of Live Birth, NSO-PSA photocopy, Certificate of Honorable Dismissal if transferee, transcript of records if transferee, 3 pieces 1x1 picture, 2 pieces 2x2 picture, and 5 pieces passport size picture and medical exam report. For senior high school entrance requirements, SF9 report card or SF10 Form 137, Honorable Dismissal, PSA, NSO Birth Certificate, Original, Certificate of Good Moral, and Certificate of Completion. So, enroll now. For more information, please see the register or call 299-2224 or 0921-845-9871 or 0917-8830-109 or visit us at www.facebook.com/Sigera GECS or www.facebook.com. The Sigera Technological Colleges enrollment is now going on. Classes starts for school year 2023-2024 is on September 4, 2023.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, mantinido, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na daí na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard as in undersized na mga bakal, arog kan kabilya, angle bars, as in iba pa, tasigon sa mga eksperto, nakabarato kaman sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales as in posibleng magdulot pa nin diskwido. Kaya sa Ngo & Sons, ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. Di kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong pamilya, Ngo & Sons. Ang ngaran na matitiwalaan, poon kadto, sad kununyan.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO Certified World-Class Quality.
Pakinggan ang kasama natin ngayon na nakaranas ng panlalabo ng mata. Hello po! Maaari ko po bang tanungin ang inyong pangalan, ma'am?
Ako po si Cecilia De Vera.
Ma'am, ilang taon na po kayo?
57 years old na po ako.
57? Pero boses pa lang tunog 47, ma'am. Ma'am, ano po ang dahilan ninyo? Bakit napili ninyo ang iBerry at hanggang ngayon ay patuloy nyo pa rin pong iniinom?
Ako po kasi may diabetes. Narinig ko itong iBerry sa radyo. Nasubukan ko po mga 6 months na dahil sa mata kong nanlalabo. Kasi sabi daw nila, kapag nagka-diabetes, posibleng magka-problema sa mata. Kaya sinubukan ko. Nang nasubukan ko itong iBerry, ay pagkaganda. Noong mga 1 linggo ko nang iniinom, nakatulong naman sa mata ko. Kapag may mga gawain, ay malinaw na paningin ko. Di gaya noon.
For healthy eyesight, choose iBerry. Mabibili sa Mercury Drugstore at sa mga suking butika sa inyo.
Ahoy! Kidney Care time! Maikwento niyo po paano kayo natulungan ng Kidney Care at yung karamdaman niyo ho.
Ako ay si Ida Canlas, 65 years old na ako. Ako ay may karamdaman ng hypertension at may bato sa gallbladder.
So, nakainom na po pala kayo ng Kidney Care. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa paggamit niyo nito?
Sa awa ng Diyos, maganda ang talab sa akin. Simula na sinubukan ko ang pag-inom ng Kidney Care, nawala na ang mga kirot ng aking tagiliran at sikmura. Ako ay lumakas. Kaya naman, araw-araw na akong umiinom ng Kidney Care. Salamat sa Kidney Care.
You care? We care! Kidney Care!